How to change background on your Wix website. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to quickly show you how to change the background on your Wix website. So in fact it's really easy to do, and I'm going to show you in 5 minutes how to do it. So keep watching my video and I'll tell you everything you need to know. So step by step, the first step you need to do is to create an account on Wix.com, or if you have already made one, just log into your account and you'll see this main page of the Wix.com, and just click create new site. So it's going to offer us right now to use their AI chat to create a website, but we are not going to do it. I'm going to show you how to customize the template. So just click on setup without chat. Next thing, you need to choose what type of website do you want to create. It's going to be an online store, whatever you want. So I just click on the portfolio or the blog. I don't know what to choose. Okay, for example, let's choose the blog. Then click continue, and it's going to prepare our dashboard of our website. Now it's loading our dashboard, as you can see. Now we need to create a name for our website. So in fact I'm going to call it just a blog. In order to make an example for you, just click continue. Then it's going to ask you what are the goals for your website. I'm just click to skip all these features and skip all the apps that is going to offer us, because we don't need them right now. So now it's going to load our dashboard once again. So our dashboard is ready, as you can see, and then you just click on design your website, and it's going to ask you how would you like to design your website. One more time, it's going to offer you to generate a design with their AI technology, but we are going to choose customize the template. So just click pick a template and you're good to go. So right now you're going to see a dashboard of all the templates that are connected to the blog, because in the past we have choose a blog type of website. So as you can see, there is a design, pretty good designs of every template. So just by your heart, pick a template that you like. For example, I like this one with the book lovers. Okay, so just click on edit, and it's going to quickly load the editor's page. We just need to wait a couple of seconds for it to load everything, and I'm going to show you firstly how to change the background. So I have a lot of videos connected to the Wix.com, so if you don't know how to edit your website, just watch my video and you'll understand everything. It's really easy to edit your website using Wix.com. The best opportunity of Wix.com is that you don't really need to know any programming languages. You just creating a website on another website. So in order to change the background of your website, you need to go right here, click on site design, and you'll see here a site theme, color theme, text theme, page background, page transition. So here it is what we need, the page background. So we can see set a color for our background, we can set an image or even a video for our background. So I just click on the color. Let's see what color the best suits our website. So for example, I really like this light brown color. So just click on it and you're good to go. Your background have been it have been added. For example, let's choose the background with the image. So it's going to show a video, as you can see. So let's see how it's working in a website. So right now you cannot see the video, but if you click on a preview, I think it's going to show us the video itself. So right now you can see that this video is working. You can see the shadows that are in a video. So just back to editor. So guys, thank you for your attention. I hope you now know how to change the background. There are more features to do. For example, if you want to create page transitions, make them horizontal or vertical, crossfade. So in a preview you'll see how it's going to look. So as you can see, it looks really cool. So guys, thank you for your attention. Check my other videos. I hope you leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.